good morning. How can I help?
Morning. I fitted a kitchen for a customer who kept changing their mind. Now they're disputing my final invoice.
Tell me what happened.
They chose everything: units, worktops, sink, taps, lighting, from our showroom and online. I gave a full written quote with a fitting schedule and payment terms. They agreed and paid a deposit, but before installation they changed their minds. Wanted a different sink, more expensive taps and a splashback. These weren't in the original quote. I completed the work with the changes, but now they're refusing to pay the extra.
Did they agree to the extra costs?
No, they assumed it was all included.
Did you document the changes?
Yes, emails, texts, photos, but they're still disputing a few £100.
You did the right thing. If the customer changed the agreed terms, they're legally obliged to pay the additional costs. You don't have to absorb them.
I want to be fair, but I've spent far more than I quoted.
Try a calm professional meeting. Bring all documentation and explain the upgrades were outside the original contract.
I'll suggest that, but what if they still refuse?
Then legal action may be necessary. Their initial agreement was a binding contract. By choosing more expensive items, they varied the terms and must cover the extra costs. You could offer a goodwill discount, but that's entirely up to you.
Thanks. I'll try to resolve it. I need to protect my reputation.
Good plan. And in future, issue an amended contract for any changes and get their agreement before completing the work.
Good advice. Cheers.